Hello and welcome to or back to Miss Craft's Let's Player. Today is day 7 of Vlogmas. And today, or this evening, I should say, I have yarn, of course. What else would I have, right? Tonight I am going to be working on a snowman wall hanging because I have a nice little empty spot here on my wall, and it is begging for a new decor piece. So I thought, what better than to make a snowman wall hanging. So that is what I'm up to. Okay, so normally I would be working with my G hook. I'm not seeing it, and I don't feel like going out hunting it down. So I'm going to use my F. I'm going to start off by crocheting a nice circle in white for the snowman's face. Then I'm going to do straight rectangular pieces for the hat. And then I have in black. And then I am going to use pumpkin to crochet a triangle piece for his nose. Of course, his eyes are probably going to be in the black, and so that's what I am planning on doing. So I am going to go to time lapse, and yeah. So I managed to get the snowman's head done. I did 8 rounds of double crochet in a round. So that gets you up to 8 stitches per, yeah. So got his got his head done. Now I have to work on his hat, his eyes, and his nose. And maybe a mouth. I'm thinking maybe a mouth, but we'll see. So yeah. But that's gonna be bright and early in the morning because it's late and I need to get to bed. And so I am going to finish this hopefully tomorrow morning. is next day. I have spent the entire morning drinking coffee and working on the extra bits for the snowman. So last night I got the head done, and this morning I worked on, let me show you here. I got his hat done. I got 2 eyes done. And I also did 2 different size noses. So I didn't know if I really liked the really triangle looking, um, not, what am I looking for? More of a, not right angle, but yeah, y'all. Anyway, so I wanted to go for a taller triangle. That's, yeah. Same size base, just a little taller. And I like the look of the longer one. I'll show you this um, on the actual face. I think I like the look of that one as opposed to this one. I don't know if this is even translating right. Um, so I think I'm going to go with the taller of the 2 triangles for the nose. And so then all I have left to do is sew this all together. I last night, as I was working on the head of said snowman, um, we got more snow. So that means I am getting called out to snow remove today. So when I get back, I'm going to end this video here because this is about the time that I would be editing the daily videos for this Vlogmas. So I'm going to end this video here for Vlogmas day 7. I am going to be sewing that together as well as grabbing some yellow yarn, I think, to make a star for the top of the Christmas tree. So that's the plans for today. I still yet in the next few days here, this next week, I do need to finish my wreath. So saying that I did get the pine cones done for that Vlogmas day 2. So it's been a few days. That needs to get done. Christmas tree needs to get done. Snowman needs to get done. So I am bouncing all over the place for projects this year. So, but then again, first year, so this is my brain. My brain squirrels all over. So, um that being said, I am going to end this video. I hope that you liked this, and I will be back recording tonight with more chaos. So, until tomorrow, bye.